All right, good day. So I have this question from PCE 2000, question 23, where we are asked if x is equal to bracket open, x1, x2, bracket close, and y is equal to bracket open, 3, 0, minus 4, 5, bracket close. Obtain the matrix xy. Quickly, we write solution, and we will ask to find xy, that is multiply x by y. We note our value for x again as x bracket open, x1, x2 bracket close, and our value for y, we're given a value for y, and y, we add y as equal to bracket open, 3, 0, minus 4, 5, bracket close. Now, we're asked to look for x, y. This is equal to, we multiply the element of our x matrix by that of our y matrix. And as we recall, a multiplication of matrix, the operation is carried out by multiplying our rows against a column, a row against column. So we open a bracket. We have x1 times 3, x1 times 3 plus x2 times bracket open minus 4, bracket close. Now we multiply our row by the other column, and we have x1 times 0 plus x2 times 5, and bracket close. All right, now what we have here is x1 times 3, bracket open. We end up having 3 x1, all right, and we have plus x2 times bracket open minus 4, bracket close. This ends up giving us minus 4 x2. All right, this other hand, we have x1 times 0. This will give us 0 plus x2 times 5. So this will give us plus 5x2, bracket close. Finally, we have bracket open, 3x1 minus 4x2, 0 plus 5x2 will end up giving us 5x2, bracket close, as our final answer. Thank you.